There's nothing in there. Stop it. That's my lunch. No, 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 no. Wow, he's not shy, is he? Yeah. No, 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 no. Can't have my purse. No, 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 no. No, that's my phone. That's my phone. That's me. You can't eat me. Stop it. Oh, good. No. Uh-oh. I don't have anything. Just a phone. That's just me. No, that's just me. You can't bite me. Why are you doing that? No, no, no. No, no. There's no food. There's no food. Sorry. 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 I know. People give you food, don't they? I don't have any food. That's my wallet. That's my wallet. There's nothing there. Good. I'm going to get attacked by a macaw. No, that's my wallet. There's no food in there. I promise. Yeah, people been leaving you crazy stuff on the table, haven't they? There's nothing over here, though. No, no, I don't have anything. No, no, I don't have anything. Close encounter with crazy birds. Because people feed them. And this poor bird thinks he's going to eat my wallet. Sorry, dude. Sorry. I know. It's tough being a bird around here. I know. It's kind of crazy. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Somebody left salt over here. This poor bird was eating salt. Like a packet of salt. Look at all of them just waiting for food. I do actually have a sandwich in my bag. It's probably what thought he was going to get. I feel bad, but he's not getting my sandwich.